Hi friends, it's Brian from Blue Sea Vacations. It's been a while since I made a video, but I wanted to make one today to discuss what I bring with me in my carry-on bag, my personal item that usually fits under my seat. For starters, I always like to have a backpack because I think it's easier to put something on your back and then have your hands free when you're traveling, going through an airport. I'm chasing around my toddler daughter usually. You probably have heard that it's important to wear layers because you don't know if it's going to be warm or cold. I have this gray hooded sweatshirt that's almost 10 years old now that goes with me on every trip. It keeps me warm if I get cold. If I get too warm, I can take it off. The night before I travel, I will charge this battery pack, and once I have it charged, I'll put it in the Ziploc bag with the rest of my cords for any of my electronics. It's great because then I don't have to worry about finding an outlet in an airport if my cell phone or iPod's going to run out of battery. Speaking of iPods, I've got an iPod here that I'll make sure is charged before I go with podcasts and other music. Headphones are pretty basic from Amazon. They were only about $20, but they do the job and I really like them. I used to have a ton of books when I would travel, but then my wife and I both got these e-readers, and I've got a Nook here. I love using it because I can put, 5 books on it before I go, and I don't have to worry about big, bulky books in my backpack weighing me down. I have an iPad that I travel with here. I'll make sure that there's some movies on here before I go for either me to watch or my daughter to watch. If my wife wants to, she can on the airplane watch Bravo, one of her favorite things. I have a Moleskine notebook that I'll use just to jot down any notes, or if I need to write something down to remember, I have that. And then for food, I always like to have a peanut butter Cliff Bar and banana when I travel. It's just what I've been doing for so long, force of habit. And then I have an empty water bottle that I bring. Just remember, if you bring an empty water bottle that you fill up with water before you get on a flight, the air pressure is going to expand it, or it might contract a little bit. It might break a seal. That did happen to me once. It ruined a BlackBerry, if you can remember the BlackBerry days. So just be aware of it before you get on a flight with a water bottle with liquid in it. That's all I've got. That's what I travel with. I try to travel light. If you have any questions or need help packing or any questions about future trips, please let me know. And thanks so much.